Before video consulting, primarily we work with individuals face-to-face, and that could be at a day service or the respective community team for people with disabilities base. That's where we primarily met with people, and that worked quite well, but with COVID happening, we needed to think about ways in which we could meet with people to continue psychological therapy in a way that would be person-centred and efficient. So video conferencing was introduced to try and circumvent those difficulties that COVID brought. I think some of the benefits for patients have been that their therapy can continue. Initially, we were using telephone calls, which was quite difficult. I think people found not being able to see the person that they're working with and the therapist, not be able to see them, to pick up on the body language and the facial cues and talk about difficulties simply over a phone, not seeing that person. I think people found that quite difficult, but video conferencing has really allowed us to have a face to the name of the person that you're working with. I think it makes it far more easier when you're engaging in psychological therapy to have someone to see and to connect with when you go into those deep, dark places in which people might go to when engaging in therapy. I can see video conferencing in regards to the future really continuing from here on in. I think we found a number of benefits for those individuals we work with. I think a number of them have benefited from being able to stay in their own home if they find it comfortable to talk about difficulties in their own home. They've been more than happy to do that. And I think that for the colleagues in which I work with as well, if you're going to be facilitating a case workshop with people from wide geographical regions, video conferencing has just been so helpful in regards to having everyone meet up instantaneously, all on the same screen and be able to talk about an individual. I think it's been really helpful from that perspective.